Hello everyone. In this video, we will going to discuss about file system in operating system from creation to access. So without any further delay, let's get started. So what is a file system? A file system is a method of storing and organizing computer files and the data they contain to make it easy to find and access them. It is a crucial component of any operating system, responsible for managing storage space and providing a structured way to interact with data. Role in OS: the file system acts as intermediary between the operating system and the storage devices, abstracting the physical storage details and presenting a logical view of files and directories. It ensures data integrity, security, and efficient utilization of storage resources. Examples of file system are FAT, File Allocation Table, NTFS, New Technology File System, and ext4, fourth extended file system. So file creation process. There are three steps in file creation process. First is system calls. The file creation process typically begins with a system call such as create method or open method invoked by a user application. This system calls requires the operating system to create a new file in the file system. Second is metadata allocation. Upon receiving the system call, the file system allocates metadata for the new file. Metadata includes information such as file name, size, timestamps, and permissions. This information is stored in a data structure such as an inode in Unix-like system. Directory update. Finally, the file system updates the directory structure to then include the new file. This involves adding an entry for the file in the appropriate directory, linking the file name to its metadata. Once the directory is updated, the file creation process is completed. File organization is structure. So there are four types of directory structure in file system. First is single level directory structure. Second is two level directory structure. Third is tree directory structure, and fourth is directed acyclic graph (DAG) directory structure. File attributes are metadata that describe file characteristics and properties. These attributes include name, the unique identifier for the file; size, the amount of storage space occupied by the file; permission, access right that determines who can read, write, or execute the file. So file access methods. There are three types of file access method. First is sequential access. In sequential access, files are accessed in a linear order, one order after another. This method is suitable for applications that process data in a continuous stream, such as reading a log file or playing a media file. Second is direct access. Direct access allows random access to any record in a file, regardless of its position. This method is commonly used in database systems and applications that require frequent access to specific records. Third is indexed access. Indexed access combines sequential and direct access by using an index to locate records in a file. The index contains key value pairs where the key identifies a record and the values point to its location in the file. This method provides different efficient access to record based on their keys. File allocation techniques. There are three types of file allocation technique. First is contiguous allocation. Contiguous allocation assigns a contiguous block of storage space to each file. This technique offers simple implementation and fast access time, but it can lead to external fragmentation and requires pre-allocation of file size. Second is linked allocation. Linked allocation stores files as a linked list of blocks scattered across the storage device. This technique eliminates external fragmentation and allows dynamic file growth, but it suffers from slower access time due to the need to traverse the linked list. Third one is index allocation. Index allocation uses an index block to store pointers to the various blocks that makes up a file. So file access control. So there are three types of file access control. First is user role. Owner, the user who created the file. Group, a collection of users who share certain persons on the file. Others, all the users who are not the owner of members or the group. Permissions: read, allow user to view the content of the file; write, allow user to modify the content of the file; execute, allow user to run the file as a program. File access control mechanisms are essential for protecting sensitive data and preventing unauthorized access to a file. In summary, file system are critical component of operating system responsible for managing storage space and providing a structured way to interact with the data. I hope you understand all the concepts.